Our structural engineering master degree is a highly specialist program that has been developed to equip students with a broad range of knowledge and skills to meet the real-world needs of safety and sustainability in the structural engineering and construction industry. Structural engineers create the bones and muscles of human-made structures. Structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with the analysis of forces, strength calculations, design of loads, specifications, drawings, and the effect of environmental factors that are related to a structural work in avoidance of collapse and failure when a given load is applied on the structure. Engineering helps to outline the behavior of individual structural members and the most suitable geometries and material requirements for them. It divides a complex structures into individual elements and creates separate design and analysis while providing detailed overall structural analysis. Currently, only students with bachelor in civil engineering are admitted into this program. The language of instruction is English. Our Master Structural Engineering degree is accredited by the Accreditation and Quality Assurance Commission for Higher Education Institution in Jordan. The program covers a broad spectrum of structural engineering issues, especially for civil engineering structures, with comprehensive coverage of topics related to the mechanics and design of structure made from steel and/or concrete. The program provides training in the analysis, design, and assessment of structures under conventional and extreme loading conditions. The program also covers topics on advanced analytical and numerical techniques. All of our MSc courses are career-oriented and cover both theoretical background and practical design considerations. Several courses are given in this program, such as Advanced Mechanics of Materials, Structural Dynamics, Pre-stressed concrete, plastic design of steel structures, earthquake-resistant structures, composite structures, and special topics in structural engineering, etc. The MSc in Structural Engineering is a 2-year program. Students must successfully pass a minimum of 33 credit hours, either in a thesis track or non-thesis track. Our structural engineering program is developed by a diverse team of academic staff. This means that students be learning from teaching team with both scientific knowledge and industrial experience. Teaching methods include lectures, tutorials, seminars, lab work, computer simulation, research projects, and project work. Engineering education often develops key problem-solving skills that help graduates tackle any logical puzzle they come across. The way specific material behave under force. Students will learn about how different materials work, the challenges of designing for various conditions, risk and performance, and the interconnection with the other engineering disciplines. Structural engineering is an essential program for society, and it is a popular subject in universities, leading to many options for potential students. There are excellent employment prospects for our graduates. Students who graduate with a strong structural engineering skills can take role in consultancies, construction companies, advisory positions, governmental departments, and non-governmental organizations. Many of our students continue their studies and prepare their PhD studies to get more academic career opportunities.